Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I just came from Panda Express. Let me show you what I got. Okay, that's the, what is that? I don't know what that is. Okay, I got the beef and broccoli. I got some kind of spicy chicken. Got onions and vegetables in it. I always get the rice and the noodles. And this is Beijing beef. I think that's beef. And then I always ask for soy sauce and put a couple soy sauces in there. And here's the fortune cookie, which Walter loves these things. So that's where I went, Panda Express. Okay, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Bon appetit.